tired of your feet feeling like they're swimming in a swamp? Do your socks have a secret life as a personal sauna?
Yeah, we all been there. The dreaded foot funk, the squish, the smell. It's a tragic tale as old as, well, probably socks. But hold on to your hats and maybe your dry feet because the cavalry has arrived. Introducing the Ortis Cotton Moisture-Wicking Mesh Ventilating Running Cushion Low-Cut Socks for Men 10-pack. Say that 5 times fast. I dare you. These aren't your grandma's itchy wool numbers. We're talking high-tech foot freedom. Moisture-wicking, check. Breathable mesh, double check. Cushioning that feels like tiny clouds hugging your feet, you betcha. With 10 pairs, you can conquer a week of workouts, a zombie apocalypse, or just, a Tuesday without your feet staging a hostile takeover.
So ditch the damn dungeons on your feet and step into the world of airy awesomeness. Get your Ortis 10-pack today. Your nose and everyone around you will thank you.